Hello guys, it's Shiga this side and I'm back again with a new video in the series of videos for Catch Magento integration, and today we'll be talking about the knowledge base and let's start and see how the knowledge base works. So once you're on your Magento admin panel, you can see on top navigation bar Catch, and you need to place your cursor on it, and upon placing it you can see knowledge base, which you need to click at to see the knowledge base for this extension and how it works. So basically, knowledge base, before seeing these features, knowledge base, let me tell you, is about the convenience of the sellers, which means you, and by going to it you can solve all the queries, all the problems that you have, because we at CedCommerce are here to help you 24/7 round the clock, and we are here to help you with any problem that you may come across while doing the Catch Magento integration. And for that, this knowledge base has been created by us, and upon going on this knowledge base, the page looks something like this. So let's start and see how this knowledge base works. So here you can see the two sections over here. The first is CedCommerce support, contact us via below available medium. So with these mediums you can contact us, that is CedCommerce, and we'll be there to help you with any problem that you may be facing. So the first thing that here we see is submit issue via ticket. So here, upon clicking on this button, we can see that you'll be navigated to this page, that is support team of CedCommerce. So on this page you can submit your issue by clicking on this button and raise a ticket and solve your issue with our representatives, who are there to help you anytime. You can create a new ticket by clicking on this button, and you can also check the ticket status by clicking on this button. So basically, this is the page where you can contact us and submit your issue to us. So this is the page where you submit your issue, and we'll be there to help you with any problem that you may come across. And the second option here is the sending of an email to us. So upon clicking this option, you can send us an email, and we'll be there to help you within no time, and we'll be replying back to you via mail. Upon clicking it, you can see the message box appears, and from here you can message us and mail us the issues that you are facing. The third option here is connect via Skype. So upon clicking this particular option, you can connect with us via Skype, and we'll be there for your help with any issue that you face. So upon clicking it, you will be coming across this page, and you can see here that you can join the conversation, and you can raise your issue and get your issue resolved. So you can just click on join your conversation and click your name over here. You can enter your name here. For example, you can enter your name and join the conversation by clicking on join conversation button. And once you click on this button, you will be navigated to this group where you can raise your problem. See, you will be navigated to this page, and from here you'll be logging in, and you'll be able to reach out to our customer representatives for solving your issue. So these are the three options with which you can contact us. The next part that we come across in this section is Catch Magento extension documentation, where you can see Catch integration extension user guide. Upon clicking on it or opening it in a new tab, you can see here a guide for step-by-step process to tell you how to integrate your Magento 1 store with Catch Marketplace. So here you can see all the steps that we have covered in this video or in the series of videos so far, and you can see you can sync attributes, add profile, and edit the product information, and view catch orders, and everything that we have in this integration extension can be seen in this guide, this documentation. And by going through it, you can understand everything that you need to know to integrate your Magento store with Catch Marketplace. So this is how the knowledge base works, and the main focus of this knowledge base is to help you, the sellers, in integrating your Magento store with Catch Marketplace. I hope you like this video, and you'll be back again to see a new series of videos in some in some time to come. And I hope you like this series of videos. I hope you all like this series of videos for Cache Magento integration. And now when you know how to integrate your Magento store with Cache Marketplace, you'll be happy to sell your products on Cache Marketplace, and it will be utmost easy for you to do that. So this is the last video of this series. I'll be back again with a new series of videos. Till then, watch this video, and I hope you like this video. So till the time I'm back, see you. Bye bye. Take care. This is me, Shekhar, signing off.